welcome to Topical Talks. In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT on your iPhone. If you go to the setting and general, then you can see I am using the latest iOS version, iOS 18.2. So if you don't have 18.2, just go to software update and just update with beta version with latest iOS 18.1 or 2 or 3. So first step done, and go back, then enable your Apple Intelligent. So if you don't have Apple Intelligent, just make it as United States, and then you can see the enable option. Just enable this option, and if you go down, then you can see the ChatGPT option. So now you have to set up ChatGPT, press on next. So enable ChatGPT. Now it's almost done. Now if you have already account, then just sign in, and if you don't have account, then you can go without account as well. Now let's check with the visual intelligence. If you take the photo and if I ask anything, then you can say it's working and it's for ChatGPT. Yeah, following up for ChatGPT. So that's it. This is how you can easily enable your ChatGPT on your iPhone. Hope it is helpful. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.